Hi, Toby. How are you? Nice to see you today. How you doing?
Nice to see you too, Dr. Dom. I'm doing very good. How
Oh, good. Thank you. Thanks for asking. So the last time we met, we talked about, you know, looking at things from different perspective, having different assumptions, and not just going for, assumptions that are not proven.
are you? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I've gotten, a lot better at that now. I've been able to kind of stop myself and start to think whether I'm taking the most negative approach or whether there are other positive ways of looking at the situation.
All right, good. So, Toby, when I completed my first degree, I had some problems too with going for interviews because I thought I wouldn't get the job. I thought I wasn't, people don't like me. I thought I wasn't competent enough. I wasn't good enough, even though I have the qualifications, but I had all this negative talk, self-talk. I had these negative beliefs, these assumptions. And to tell you the truth, the few times that I did end up going for interviews, um, I had different results. Sometimes they called me back. I was really excited about that. But a couple of times they did not call me back. They told me the positions were either filled or something else was going on. And the point that I'm trying to drive on is that just because you didn't get the job does not mean that you are incompetent. It doesn't mean that you're not good enough. It doesn't mean people don't like you. What do you think?
I definitely agree with that. Yeah. After, looking back and doing my own positive self-talk, I've realized that, every your perception really rules your peace of mind a lot of the times. And especially when it comes to jobs, there are several other reasons besides my worth that a job might not call me back. And just because I don't get a job doesn't mean that I'm less than or anything like that, or I'm not as successful and that I still need to put myself out there and keep trying if I want to get a job anyways.
Oh, good. I'm so glad. Remember the triangle we talked about? That is your thought affects your feelings, and your feelings affect your behavior. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.